Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This lesson I will be able to discuss some questions in AutoCAD 2021. The version that I'm using is AutoCAD 2021. The questions will be given like this one, especially those who are doing next CDAC. CDAC, the technical drawing part of it has some sections which you'll be required to draw using the CAD software. Now in this case, I will be able to use this one. So make sure in your question paper you confirm you have the dimensions as indicated on my screen, that this unit is supposed to be in millimeters unless otherwise stated. Number two, we open our AutoCAD 2021. Now the first thing that you're supposed to be doing in this case, we have 3 items. One, you have to set the units. So what we can do, you press the UN using the keyboard, and then you will see a place where we have the units. So you click that units, and then you'll be able to change from this point. We have a dropping arrow here. This dropping arrow will lead you to where we have millimeters. So select millimeters, and then you press OK. Now after that, then we'll be moved to the second thing. This thing here that you are seeing, right, a rectangle, no, right, this is what we call the auto mode. So you make sure you select. To select means that you select like that. Number two, you select this thing called isometric drafting. You select like that one. Number three, the object snap. In this case, you select. Then of course, because we are done to draw, so you select this arrow beside the dropping arrow beside these ones. Make sure you have ticked all of these ones, the main points, so on, back parallel. So you have to tick all of it. Then number two, you come to start a drawing. Where can we start a drawing? We can start with this side here, this side. So what I will do, I will move to my ISO draft, and then I will select. So I will select from, so this left here is the end elevation, ISO plane top is the plan, ISO plane right is the front elevation. So I will select this one right, and automatically I will start drawing from that end the front elevations. So this is 120. So I will go to my line, I will pick the line tool, I will specify my first point, maybe here. I will move like that. Automatically the 30 degrees that you are seeing is because it is isometric drawing or projections. So I will enter the what was the length, sorry, it is 120. So I will click 120 using my keyboard, and then I will press enter using my keyboard, and then I will escape using my keyboard, and then of course I will use my mouse to bring it back like this one. I will zoom in and out so that I'll be able to see. Sometimes this thing, the XY, this Cartesian plane, I want to remove this one to move to somewhere. What will I do? I will select, and then after selecting, I will take my cursor inside these ones, and then I right click, and then I select this one, UCS icon settings, and then I will say show UCS icons at origin. That is the first thing. At the end of the day, you will find that it has moved to this other side, the UCS. Then number two, I will pick a line. After picking a line, I see what I will do. I have to move from here upwards at this turn of 20. So I will click here, move upwards, alafu you key in 20 using the keyboard, and then you enter using the keyboard, and then you escape. So I will be able to have something like that. The next step, I will be able to see what next should I do. I will move this one at this turn of 20. So I will take a line command. I will come here, I will connect here, I will move my cursor like this one, I will key in, that is 20, and then I will enter, escape. I will move to the drawing also. I confirm what I will do. In this case, this height from ear to ear, it's a distance of, that is 30 plus 30, that is 60. So I will come here to the line, I will pick this one, I will move upwards a distance of 60, and then I will enter using my keyboard, and then I will escape using my keyboard, and then I will zoom so that I can be able to see everything. It's okay. Now let us move. Next step, I will move, and what is the distance between from here to here? That distance is 60 plus 20. Now that is 80. So I will move here. I will pick a line from here. I will click here. From here to here, that is what? That is 80. And then I will enter using my keyboard, and then of course I will escape using my keyboard. What next? I will move up. You see this line? I will move up a distance of 20. So I will go back to my AutoCAD. I will pick the command line, and then I will be able to, from this point, click, stretch using the mouse, and then you key in 20 using the keyboard. You enter, you escape using the keyboard. What next? I will move also to these ones from here to here. That's a distance of 20. So I will move. I will take a command line. I will click where I left. I will move like these ones at distance of 20, and then you enter a keyboard, and then you escape. And then the last part of it, I will have to join this line. You are seeing my screen, this line to this other side. Basically it will be joining, so there is no distance. You can add a distance 20 plus, but in this case I will just pick a command line, and then I will join from this side till there. Click that point, and then you escape. So I have been able to draw a shape from this other side. So after drawing this shape in front side, I will extend these lines, all these lines. So I will start either from this bottom part of it, where I have this 80. Are you seeing that 80? So what I will do, I will go back to my AutoCAD. I will come to this point where we have the isometric drafting there, where I have my cursor. So there is a dropping arrow there. So you pick, we are using the right direction, so we have to move to the left. And then, so I have selected left. So I go back to the line command, and then I see, oh, what is the distance? The distance between this point to that point is 80. So I will come here, click there, and then I will move my cursor, and then you key in 80 using the keyboard. You enter using the keyboard, you escape using the keyboard. Then number 2, what are the distance? I will move upwards 20. So I will move 20 from here, move upwards 20, enter from using the keyboard, escape. So I will draw this line from here to here. So now it is just a simple like that. You just draw. Now, or we can copy. I want us to copy instead of drawing. Let us use the modification tool. We say we have the modification tool here. All of them are here. So in this case, I want to copy this line here in the upper. You move like that. So what I will do, I will look for copy command. So in this one, I will click copy. Inakwambia nini? Select the object. So I will select this one, select, and then you enter using the keyboard. You specify the base point you can take from here. So put it there, put it there, put it at that point, put it at that point, and then at that point, and then you escape. So that feature is so simple because you just copy. You just copy the way they are. You see our diagram is almost approaching to the end. So the remaining part of it also, I can copy also this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, so that I can put on the other side. So I will go to my modify tools. I will select this one. This is copy. Click once. Then will tell you copy or select the object. So I will select 1. I will select 2. I will select 3. Then I will select 4. I will select the next line 5. I will select this one. The reason why I'm selecting so is because I want to take all of it to this other side. So after selecting the line, you hit the enter using the keyboard, and then specify the base point. So what I will do, I will specify here, or I will pick from this side. So I will pick here, and then I move to this side like this one, and then you escape. So you will be able to have that diagram. So you see we are approaching, so you can clap for yourself at that point. So we are still moving with it. So the remaining part of it that we have not done is that at the center they have some hole inside the center. So what is the distance? It's supposed to be 30 meters from downwards here towards up, and then from here towards the other side is 60. So what I will do, I will move to my AutoCAD. This line here that you are seeing, I want to have what? Let me confirm first. From here towards the downwards is 30. From here downwards to here is 30. So what I will do, I will copy this line towards downwards 30. So I will go to copy. I will come select the line. I will enter using my keyboard. I will pick this one corner or this other corner like this one. Move downwards. Put a distance of 30, that is 30. Enter using your keyboard and then escape. Then number 2, I will move from this other side through, that is from here to this line, a distance of this distance here. So I will copy this line so that I can move toward that direction at a distance of 60. So I will move to my software, that is the AutoCAD 2021. I will pick a copy. I will come to this line, click the line, enter using the keyboard, and then I pick this corner, I stretch. So you'll realize that it cannot move. So what I will do, I will move like that to this point. You isometric draft or isodraft, you select right. When you select right, it will be able to move on that direction. So you stretch it like that. You key in what? 60, you enter, and then you escape. So I have given me, it has given me something like that. So the other part of it, I will move the 30 from this point towards this point, and then from this other side to this other side I will move 30. So what I will do, I will copy this one. Let me confirm first. From here to here is 30. From here to here is 30. So what I will do, I will go to copy. I will come here. I will come here, enter. I will select this one. So you see it behave in a different way. So to means that I have to go back to my isodraft, and then I select what? I select left. So when you select left, that line move like that. Very good. So what I will do, I will key in 30, that is 30, and then you enter using the keyboard. You have that line, and then on the other side is the line of 30. So from here to here is 30. So what I will do, I will go to copy here, this one, copy. I will select this line. I will hit enter. I will pick from this point, stretch like this one, key in 30, and then you enter using the keyboard, and then you escape. So I have something like this one. So what I will do, using this shape like this one, so I have to delete everything downwards here so that I can have something like U. Are you seeing that U? So let us move to our diagram. We pick this one. You see this thing like kamikaze, that's a trimming. So you pick it, you delete this one, you delete this one, you delete this one, and then you trim this one, and then you of course plus this one, and then you enter. So you'll be able to form something like U. So let us move to the top part of it. I have this line and this line. So I have to copy this one so that I can have this one, copy this one so that I can have the other one. What is the distance? The distance is 30, 30. So my software, I will move to copy, copy. I will select this one. I will enter using my keyboard. I will pick this one, place it here, and then place it at that point, and then you escape. Then after that, then we make sure the top part of it, I have something like U, like this one. So I have to delete everything along this line. So I will go to my software. I will take that trim command. I will delete this one, I will delete this one, and then I will delete that one, and then I escape using my keyboard. Now after doing that, I'll be able to remain with this line. Are you seeing this line and the other line? So what I will do, I will copy this line. So copy command, then you copy this line here, enter using the keyboard, press here, take it to this point so that I can have that line, and then you escape using the keyboard. After that, I will take this line here and put it here. So copy, select, enter, pick this line from here and then place it at that point, and then you escape. So I have completed that, but then I have to wrap this one. There is nothing like this one. So what I will do, I will select my this trim command, delete that point, delete here, delete that also, and then you escape. So I will be having that thing. So you confirm if your work is okay. I'm seeing my work is okay, so compare with what you have, it's okay. So the remaining section is to give it the dimensions, because a drawing without dimensions is not a drawing. That is it for now. So in our second video, we'll be able to see how to dimensions our drawing. Thank you.